iPad users stuck with 32 or 64 gigs of memory know the storage full struggle, and these are the 7 ways to optimize it. First step is to know exactly what is taking up space. Go to Settings, General, and iPad Storage. I'm sure you will see a few surprises here. Just tap on the apps you don't use and delete them. Second, go to Settings, Apps, App Store, and turn on offload unused apps. When iPad is short of storage, this removes the unused apps but retains the data as it is, including your Face ID or the Touch ID logins. Third, now let's get rid of the duplicate photos and videos quietly taking up space. Go to Photos, Collections, and scroll all the way down to the Utilities section and tap on Duplicates. Some of you will find this trick as a goldmine of storage. Tap on Select, then select All, and merge. You can either merge the identical copies or you can merge the same photo or video with different resolutions. It will keep the higher quality one. This will instantly free up significant space. Fourth, let's clean up Safari's cache. Go to Settings, under Apps, go to Safari, and all the way down to Advanced, and tap on website data. Now delete all cached website data. This only deletes the website cache while keeping the website history intact. If this is already saving you space, hit subscribe. I've got more iPad tricks like this coming every week. Now let's go to the fifth one. Go back to Settings, General, and iPad Storage. Scroll all the way down and you will see System Data, which keeps piling up. To free up space, make sure to restart your iPad once every 2 to 3 weeks. In the description, I will include an iCloud link for a restart shortcut and the steps to use it. Sixth, whether you are using YouTube, Netflix, or any other streaming platform, you might have a lot of downloaded content for offline viewing even after your subscription has expired. Either delete the offline content manually by going into each app, or simply uninstall and reinstall the app to instantly free up many gigs of data. Seventh and the last one, go to Settings, tap here, iCloud, and then Photos. Make sure your storage option is set to optimize iPad storage. This will keep low quality images on your iPad while preserving high quality on iCloud. That's it. Try these out and comment below if you found these useful or not. Many more iPad videos to follow.